Yes, yeah, I know. I look a freaking mess. What is new? So, as you can see by today's title, is this camera kind of crooked? Like, you're kind of crooked. No, it's even more crooked. Okay, who cares? So today I am filming, as you can see, a makeup tutorial. This is like a fall soft glam type of tutorial, you know. So if you want to be a soft glamour girl for fall time, because fall is approaching, pumpkin picking, whatever else you do in fall, scary movies, Harry Potter, even though I watch Harry Potter all year round, but you know. So yeah, I have a lot of fall videos planned. Like, my fall this year is going to be amazing. It's gonna make up for my boring as hell summer. My fall is going to be amazing, and I'm going to vlog all of it, film all of it, and you know, just you guys will enjoy fall with me. I know I kind of look like a maniac right now. And okay, so this background is kind of wonky because my whole room is under construction. So this is just like, I'm gonna do like a decor, like you guys decorate my room with me type of video, because I need to get this all situated. Like, all of this is a mess. My desk, I need to get a ring light to put on my desk, so when I do like makeup videos, it can be on my desk where my makeup is. Washed my face, did all of that, put my sunscreen on, my eye cream, all of that. So we are ready to go. Oh, I gotta sneeze. Y'all, I am so fed up with the job I'm trying to work at, because they just opened like really close to my school, and they're just acting like asshats because they're not answering my calls. Like, come on now, answer my calls. You already hired me. When am I supposed to start? Like, come on now. Like, this is so stupid. But the two palettes I'm going to be using today is the BH Cosmetics palette, the Modern Mattes one, and then my Morphe 35M palette. So you don't need to do them, and I feel like I don't even have anything to really do them with, because then they would just look a hot mess. So I like them waxed. I don't really need to do anything to them. Okay, I don't know if you guys like prime your lids and stuff. I don't, because I really don't care, you know. Hello. This like orangish type of shade right here in this palette, if you can see that. I want to get like a brand new camera. That's what I know I want to do once I get my first paycheck. Buy me a good ass camera, because I just need a viewfinder, you know. I'm going to take my Morphe M441 brush and just dip it in there. And it has like excess powder that comes off, so I just shake that shit off, because you know we don't want that. So, I'm no Haley Morales or anything, but I do know a couple of things. So I'm going to just pack this onto my lid. Look at me sounding like a beauty guru. Pack this onto my lids like this. And I'm not going to yet blend it. I just want to get the shade on there as much as possible. Okay, so after you look like this, you know, I look so beautiful. I know. The Beauty Accents brush, this is a defining eyeshadow brush. You can use that if you want. I'm going to go into my Morphe palette. Morphe. And I'm going to take this shade right here. You can see that. And I'm going to put that on the, like, I'm just going to try to blend out this shade, if that makes sense, just on the top. If that makes sense. Some of you guys in just to see if you guys can see, because if you can't see, I feel so bad. Okay, is that even like focused? Okay, so if you guys can see, that's what I did. She's beautiful, I know. Hold on. Okay, this is really difficult. Can you see me? Oh god, this is difficult as hell. Okay, yeah, so this is basically what I did. So if you look like this, if you look like me, you look amazing. We're just gonna wing it. We're just gonna really wing it right now, okay? So if you look like this, you look amazing. I'm like, this pigmentation is wonderful. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my concealer, and we're gonna do kind of like a halo type of look. So I use the Master Conceal by Face Studio concealer just for this, because it's lighter. Even though I would advise using more of a pale looking thing to like cut your crease, or use as like on your lids. So what I do is I just watch. It's easier if you just watch. That didn't work. Okay, so I do that. And then I look up. And then it creates the little line for me. So then I can just... Okay, so if your halo or cut crease or whatever looks as bad as mine, not to worry, because we are going to be covering that up with glitter. Okay, but this one looks so bad and this one looks kind of decent. So okay, so after you look like this... Ugh, why did I just do my voice like that? You guys already know I don't like putting foundation and shit on my face. So let's pretend like I did that and not do that. Because I'm gonna use these shades right here. Can you see my palette? This orange and this sparkly shade, I'm gonna mix it a little bit together. And I'm gonna use my Morphe M508 brush. Wait, first I'm gonna use this little Beauty Brands brush. It looks like this. I'm gonna mix those two colors together. Concealer. And really pack it on there. And it looked pretty good, but now it looks kind of horrible. After I did that, I'm gonna take now the Morphe M. Can you see the glitter? Is she cute? Ew, that looks so gross. The Morphe M508 brush, and then like where the cut crease, where the like the halo type of crease meets the eyeshadow, I'm gonna try to blend it just so it can not look so harsh. Okay, after I do that, I still look like a freaking clown. I'm gonna take my Morphe M441 brush again and just try to blend it just a little bit. Okay, now after you do that, I'm gonna go back in with the Morphe M508 brush, and in that shimmery shade that I used, the sparkly orange shade, I'm gonna go into my crease and just put that on there just so she can be a little, you know, highlighted. It's annoying. This orange shade from the Morphe one. I'm gonna mix this one. Can you guys see this one? And then the one from the BH Cosmetics, that orange one. I'm gonna mix that kind of together to do under my lashes. Okay, she's cute. We love her. We like her. We kind of look like we're going to a festival, but she's still really cute. I'm using the True Match Super Blendable Concealer. So I'm gonna take this brush, this Morphe M432 brush, and I'm just going to blend in my concealer that's around my eyes just a little bit. Okay, so now I'm gonna do eyeliner, which I feel like is my favorite part now because I am actually pretty good at eyeliner. Well, I did it one time and think I'm the bomb at it, but this is what I'm gonna do. And after you do that, draw like a line in the middle of your eyebrow. If that makes sense. If that makes sense. Okay, my eyeliner does not look the best right now, but I mean, you get the idea. You get the idea. You get the idea. Okay, so now I'm gonna put on these lashes. I already told you guys I was gonna put these lashes on. I'm going to use, I know a lot of people are against like using hair glue or track glue on your lashes. That's just because a lot of them don't know how to take it off properly. You take it off with coconut oil and you rub it, and literally it just comes right off. Like, I promise you, I wouldn't sit here and lie to you. It comes right off. I can't find my tweezers, but I can pretty much put on lashes with my hands. I feel like it's a little bit easier. Okay. Y'all, I could low-key do my makeup every day for school. It looks so bomb. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna clamp like my real lashes. This is easier to do if you have tweezers, but because I can't find my tweezers, I'm gonna use my hands. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna clamp my real lashes together with my fake lashes. I'm gonna take this NYX pin-up tease. What's this called again? Mascara. I'm gonna use this right here just to blend my real lashes with the fake ones. And I'm gonna put some on my under lashes, my lower lashes. Okay, full blend. You know? Eyelash curler. I'm going to curl my lashes with this. Oh, I almost blew my lash off. Okay, so after this, can you even see this?
Are the January one?
January. So I'm gonna do a little Naija Amon thingy again, and I'm gonna
makeup.
What'd you say?
Got a lot of makeup.
Oh.
We barely even used it a lot.
I know, I'm gonna start doing more makeup videos this year because just because I feel like that's really cute. So now we're gonna move on to the lips and stuff, and then wait, I want to put some highlighter just on the by my brows. So I'm gonna
get that foundation stuff.
My Morphe M124 brush. What'd you say?
We should get that foundation stuff you was talking about.
Yes, and this is a Color Rain. I don't know what type of highlighter this is. It's just called color. I think I saw it from my mom. It's Colored Rain, and the style is Selfie. Just gonna dab a little bit in there. It's kind of broken, as you can see. I don't know what my mom did to it, but it is a really pretty highlighter, so I'm just gonna use a little bit of that. Dab some of that off. Hopefully this shows up on my skin, because you know a lot of highlighters like to discriminate. So I'm just gonna do a little bit right here. Just gonna blend that. Do it on the other side. Ooh, look at her, she's cute. And then just put some in my inner corner just to make it pop a little bit more. Okay, she's real cute. She's real cute. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to do my lips. And this is what I've been into, kind of. It's more of like a 90s type of style. So I have this Too Faced Melted Liquid Metallic lipstick, and it's in the shade, I don't know, it just says Candy Bar. I don't know if that's the shade of it. Yeah, I'm not sure if that's even the shade. It's just a dark brown color, and I'm just gonna do it on like the outline of my lips. So you can use like a lip liner or anything, and you're done. I'm just playing, you're not done. Then I'm gonna take my NK lip gloss. You guys know it's my favorite lip gloss ever. Hop on the wave and just lie this on top. Look at her, she's so cute. Okay, now we're gonna fix this hair, and I'm gonna come back and show y'all the finished look. Well, this is the finished look, but you know, me looking cute with the finished look. This is the final look. We love her, we like her, she's glowing. Oh, this is so cute, I like it. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this makeup look, you know, if you did this makeup look, tag me in them. I want to see them. This is probably not the most original makeup look I've ever did. I'm pretty sure people have done this before, but I do want to start to do more makeup on my channel because I really do love makeup, and I think it is beautiful and a nice way to express yourself, period. But yeah. Oh, and if you guys have any makeup looks you want me to do, leave them in the comments. Send them to me on Instagram or Snapchat because I would love to do them. My hair is actually looking pretty good, okay, period. But yeah, I'm gonna start uploading like every week now. Like my videos are gonna be consistent, and I know I say that every video, like literally I really do, but I'm going to start being more consistent with my videos and uploading and posting, just so you guys can get more content and I can get more content out there. But bye guys, love you. Mwah.